Stellantis just unveiled the all-new Ram 1500 Revolution battery electric pickup truck here at CES 2023. While Ram might be the last of the big three American automakers to offer an electric truck, Stellantis says the 1500 BEV will offer the most range, towing, payload, and charge time. It features a modern Ram badge on the front of the truck. The 1500 BEV will add up to 100 miles of electric range in just 10 minutes time using a DC fast charger. The concept truck comes with side view mirrors that are smaller, lightweight, and are made of 3D printed materials for reduced drag.
Miles away from here, secrets lie hidden. Advancements our world has never seen before. Innovations waiting to be discovered, to be unleashed. The revolution is coming. New technologies, inexplicable capabilities, next-gen power. They'll tell you that it is impossible, but we know what the future holds. Because the best way to predict the future is to invent it. This will redefine what powerful can be, what productivity can be, what a truck can be. The revolution is here, and the truck world will never be the same.
Ladies and gentlemen, this is the Ram 1500 Revolution battery electric concept vehicle. A stunning vision of Ram's future and the future of trucks. You see, this just isn't another concept truck. No, it is so much more than that. And making a statement has always been in Ram's DNA. And this makes a statement unlike any other. You see, Ram's 1500's attitude comes through both loud and clear. The fierce figure of this Ram is designed to put its broad shoulders straight into the future. The modernized RAM badge comes to life with a fully animated LED tuning fork design. LED lights integrated into the front bumper flares and animated tail lamps. The side mirrors are 3D printed and feature digital cameras to capture the surroundings. The rear view mirror also features a smart backup camera, which is part of a system of cameras that provide a 360-degree view, saving time and adding safety to hooking up to a trailer. Now, the strength of this cab allowed us to ditch the B-pillars altogether, and the saloon doors open to an incredibly spacious interior. Everything on the fascia is representative of how we're pivoting into tomorrow, including the tow hooks, which actually do pivot. And an exciting signal of what's to come in our Ram EV portfolio is the all-new Stella frame platform upon which the Ram Revolution concept is built, allowing all of the creativity from our expert design team in Detroit to shine. And this design is an absolute game changer. We've maximized the cabin space, adding 4 more inches to today's truck, and added a front. Now, of course, Ram Revolution features our game-changing, segment-exclusive Ram box, which is even larger with increased functionality. Now, a hallmark of this exterior is power functionality, with never-before-seen features that will reimagine the space our customers use to power their lives. Now, as you can see, there is almost too much to talk about. And you know, in an era where more work is being performed beyond the confines of a conventional office, the Ram Revolution is a corner office that rolls quietly onto the job site. You'll see our Ram one-space environment, a front-to-back continuous space for multiple configurations. Now, this flexibility lets you configure what you need for a workspace or your next adventure, and quite simply offers more cargo volume because of that updated architecture. Now, from the new Ram Track, which is a rail attachment floor-track system, to the personally configurable center console, to the front, as well as to the bed, the Ram Revolution offers workstation flexibility front to back. And nearly 50 years after the Club Cab introduced the second row seat, Ram is ushering in new third row jump seats. The powered mid-gate features a mounted jump seats with a removable lower section for placement in the bed or outside of the vehicle. Now this takes tailgating to an all-new level, literally. The interior takes it up a notch as well, offering more configurations than ever before. This interior is modular and applies its creativity to both passenger and cargo carrying capabilities. Now with the Ram Revolution, you can configure the cab to deliver the kind of legroom that you'd expect from a limo on the strip. Our designers have also gone to great lengths to make sure this truck can accommodate greater lengths. Looking to run 18-foot boards or that restored sailboat mast? Ram Revolution's midgate with powered glass enables a pass-through from the tailgate straight to the front that can haul objects up to 18 feet long with the tailgate closed. You see, with features like this, Ram consumers can carry more large items, more quickly and conveniently, and more safely. No, this truck is right at home at CES, not just because it's advanced. It's at home here because it uses technology to facilitate more frictionless productivity. Simply put, the forward-thinking embodies is all about moving our customers forward even easier, whether it's at work, at home, and at every point in between. If augmented reality and a heads-up display allows our drivers to keep their eyes on the road, it's a benefit that belongs on the Ram Revolution. If tactile touchscreen swiping enables occupants to configure the sun visors or the entire electrochromatic roof with ease, it belongs in our truck. And that's another unique Ram Revolution feature. The full glass roof features an electrochromatic panel, and its tinting can be changed with a swipe. And below the integrated roof rails, the cabin features ambient lighting that's operated through the overhead console. touchscreen display comprised of 2 screens offers up to 28 inches of screen space as the centerpiece of an interior design to make life easier. The lower display has 3 different positions and can even be removed and used in other parts of the truck. The upper screen can slide on a Ram track attachment system. A flat top and bottom collapsible steering wheel tucks out of the way when parked or in an autonomous mode, offering more space to work on a computer or a tablet. Now, speaking of autonomous, the Ram Revolution also features a shadow mode. Now imagine you're an architect in Austin, checking on the progress of a job site with blueprints or digital files. Or you're a farmer in Ames, starting your morning between barns with feed, meds for your stock, and your morning coffee in a cup holder. Shadow mode allows your Ram to follow you as you make the rounds where space allows and keeps what you need within reach. But we're not stopping there. The Ram 1500 Revolution BEV concept is packed with advanced features for the ultimate customer experience. We will deliver seamless connectivity to transform the experience for the driver and the passengers. A connected hub will bring a consumer's digital lifestyle into the vehicle, using advanced tech to create a customized space for each occupant. Our Ram Revolution BEV concept demonstrates how moving forward, we will have a laser focus on the interaction between the customer and their machine. And as you can see, this concept showcases an array of leading-edge advanced hardware and software features that will enhance customer satisfaction, delivering on our dedicated focus to provide unique experiences that will maximize the value of the relationship between our customers and Ram trucks. Now, not only is the Ram team relentless in finding ways to make our customers' lives better, we are committed to employing sustainable materials that help make the world better. The Ram Revolution concept puts this approach to practice with an interior that features lightweight and resilient gray slate nanostone veneer, apple leather, which is a byproduct from the apple industry that's both animal and cruelty-free, and a uniquely textured floor that's composed of recycled rubber and cork particles. It's durable, highly functional, and environmentally friendly. Now, Ram Revolution has upped the ante on charge time and range. And we know from our Real Talk tour that our customers aren't just concerned with how long a charge will last on the road, but also how easy it is to charge. And with our upcoming new inductive robot charger, or Ram charger, that will make home charging as easy as possible. You see, it intelligently detects the vehicle's presence along with its charging needs, and then automatically moves into position and aligns itself under the vehicle. And Smart Charge capability will allow charging during off-peak time, providing more convenience and peace of mind for our customers. Now, what you just saw is a glimpse into the leading-edge tech, fully connected customer experience, and advanced mobility features that will deliver confidence for hardworking people every day, no matter their line of work. Now, of course, for us, it's about more than the Ram Revolution's trucknology. In order to wear the Ram badge, it is imperative it stays true to the capability and performance that our trucks are known for. The Ram 1500 Revolution BEV concept features all-wheel drive capability and is powered by 2 dedicated EDMs, which are positioned towards the front and the rear of the vehicle, maximizing interior space and enabling the cavernous sprung. Designed to accommodate larger capacity EDMs, the Revolution BEV concept offers the potential for future high-performance applications. Now, this concept features four-wheel steering with up to 15 degrees of articulation and is designed to offer greater vehicle maneuverability while parking at low speed, on tight off-road trails, and increases the vehicle's steering response at high speed. It also rides on an adjustable air suspension that enables three different modes: ingress-egress, aero, and off-road. And based on our new Stella frame platform, the Ram Revolution concept features a body-on-frame design that efficiently incorporates the battery pack, allowing for new levels of flexibility. Now, you may have heard from Carlos earlier that Stellantis is investing in the development of solid-state battery tech. And in the Ram Revolution, the increased power density of our solid-state power cells would allow us to dedicate our payload capacity even more to our customers' needs and not to our vehicles' needs. Because after all, nobody wants to brag about how much battery weight their truck can tow. The Ram Revolution is a truck that trucks beyond your wildest imagination. It is what happens when you let the game changers of the category completely rewrite the rules altogether. The team was charged with a mission. Make a truck that makes people's lives easier. Give them features that will save them time. Think of everything and give them a truck unlike anything. The Ram Revolution is more than a roadmap of our electrified journey. It represents a look at how our customers will benefit from our commitment to tomorrow. The thousands of hours that our team, our engineers, and designers have put into the Ram Revolution all revolve around one goal: to give our customers control of their time. Because efficiency is about more than mileage and spending less time at the pump. It's about giving you control of your time. And at Ram, our goal has always been to help our customers reach their goals. And the Ram Revolution revolves around that. Everything the Ram brand will deliver from this point forward will be a direct descendant of what you see here today. Because when you're a brand that's born as revolutionary as Ram trucks, you don't just drive into the future, you charge into it. Thank you very much.
Stay with AmericaJR for more coverage from CES 2023 in Las Vegas. I'm Jason Rzucidlo, reporting for AmericaJR.com.